If you're wanting a cutting-edge look and design to make your Chevy engine stand out, look no further than these officially licensed Chevrolet Performance big block valve covers. Restoring your classic Chevy is no small task, but once it's done, it will be a traffic-stopping masterpiece. PROFORM is a leader in performance and style under the hood, and the Slant-Edge valve covers are the perfect companion to power. They have a slanted edge design and a tall height that gives a look sure to turn heads at a car show. With a total of 13 different options, ranging from classic chrome with a recessed emblem to a Chevy orange with a raised chrome emblem, there is sure to be a design that fits your build. Complete design options include chrome, red, orange, liquid black, black crinkle, and powder coat. And the emblems come in recessed, raised and milled, and no emblem. So if you can't find one to work for you, look again, it's there. The slanted design is made to pair perfectly with Slant-Edge air cleaner and breather caps, giving a complete look. The valve covers were designed to give maximum clearance and feature innovative die casting on the intake side. This helps you keep from struggling with getting the bolts into tight spaces. If you're interested in the Chevy Big Block Slant-Edge valve covers from PROFORM, or you need help with installation, please check out the store locator in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.